Hello friends, welcome back to our channel StudyDesk4U, and today's topic shortcut keys. Actually, do you know how many shortcut keys available in Excel? Honestly speaking, I don't know. I just know the shortcuts that I need to use. So today I want to give a brief description on shortcut keys. But before we get into started, let's have a look at agenda for today's session. So in this, basically, I categorized these shortcuts in 5 types. So first one is Ctrl A to Ctrl Z. So we have alphabetics like A to Z, total 26. In this, with Control keyword, what are the shortcuts are available in Excel we are going to see. And then what are the frequently used shortcuts. And next, few navigating keys which are most useful to navigate between the sheets or between the cells, and some alt combinations shortcut keys. With the alt keyword, we are going to use different shortcut keys. And finally, I'm going to add few more functional keys like F1 to F12 shortcut keys. Are you watching for the first time to this channel? Then please subscribe so that you will get all uploaded sessions from our channel, and if you can, please click on this bell icon for the notifications. So let's begin with Excel sheet. Shortcut keys. Even if you are familiar with Excel, it might be useful to use shortcut keys to increase or speed up your work. Now the thing is, I have a question for you. Does anyone expect you to memorize all these keywords combinations? Of course not. Everyone's needs are different. So some will be more useful to you than others. And even if you pick up very few new tricks, it's worth it. I also try to keep the list clean and simple so that it helps to you guys to memorize few of them. So in this, I started with A to Z with control keyword. Maybe you already know most of them. Let us see one by one. So first, Control plus A. First, select all. So if you want to select entire data, we are going to use this Control plus A. For example, I selected a cell. I am pressing Control plus A. It selects entire our sheet. Again, I am pressing Control plus Z for deactivating. So if you observe, if you press Control plus A, it selects entire sheet. Now in a table, I am going to select a cell. Then press Control plus A. It selects in that particular table only. So depends upon the criteria, you can use Control plus A for selecting the cells. Now the next one is Control plus B. B for bold. So if you want to get thicker content, then use bold. This for Control plus B. Here I used cust ID, salesperson, all the headers in bold. So if you have anything, for example, I'm selecting a cell and press Control plus B. It gets a bit thicker. So like this, you can use B for bold. Now next one, copy. If you want to copy, for example, I want to copy this cell. So for this, Control plus C. So if you observe, that cell is applied a dashed dancing lines here. So that means it has been selected. So this is for copy. Again, if you want to undo, Control plus Z for deactivating. So this is for C, copy. And the next one, Control plus D for fill down. So if you want to fill down, for example, here I have Excel cell. Now I want the same content here. Content, select the cell after the immediate cell, then press Control plus D for fill down. Actually, this is the shortcut key. And if you want the longer method, here you have, for example, select the cell, and in the home tab, in the editing group, you will have this fill drop down list. Then click on this. You will get down, right, up and left options here. Right now fill down. This one is Control plus D. So if you click on this, the same content is copied here. So same thing for here. I want again all the, so for that I am selecting multiple cells, and I'm going to press Control plus D. So it displays all the same data like this. So this is about Control plus D. The next one is flash fill. For example, I have a data here. I have weekdays and I have day here. I have Monday to Sunday. Now I want to display only first 3 characters. So if you select MON and I'm pressing enter, now I'm pressing Control plus E. So if you press Ctrl plus E, all the values are automatically added in the given range of cells. This is called as flash fill. No need to enter completely. And one more thing, again I'm undoing Ctrl plus Z and I'm deleting everything. Now I want to enter DAY, last characters. So I entered day. Now I'm pressing Ctrl plus E. If you observe, all the values are added, but other than DAY, few more characters are also added. For this we need to train that. For that I'm going to Ctrl Z for undo. Now again I'm going to add day for second one. So we have to train the cells. Now I'm going to press Ctrl plus E. So it automatically adds the content. So like this we can use flash fill. So now the next one is Ctrl plus F for find. If you want to search something in a worksheet, so then use find, Ctrl plus F. For example, right now I am here H7 cell. I selected H7. Now I am pressing Ctrl plus F and I am entering something called as Francis. Then press find next. So if you click on this, the Francis cell H11 is selected here. Again, if you want one more, you can click here, find next. Again, one more Francis, H13. Like this, you can find out a particular text or value in a particular sheet. If you want everything, if you want to find out all the values, then click on this find all. It displays all the results in the below within the dialog box. So you can find out here this H11, H13. If you have few more, it displays here. So like this we can use Ctrl plus F. And coming to next one, Ctrl plus Z. So if you click on this, a dialog box will appear. Here this is go to. Go to is nothing but if you want to move from one cell to another cell. So if you want to move a particular reference cell, for example, I want to move A1. So if you click on OK, it selects directly goes to A1 cell. Again I am going to use Ctrl plus G. Again I am pressing J22nd and click on OK. It directly goes to J27th cell. So like this we can use go to for Ctrl plus G. And the next one, replace. If you want to replace content, we can use this Ctrl plus H. So if you click on this, a dialog box will appear. The same dialog box like find, here replace. So if you want to replace Francis with Rohan or Rohit, so like this. So I want to change this Francis to Rohit. So if you want to replace with this, so use this replace all. So all done, click on OK. You can observe here Rohit 2 times here, Rohit and Rohit. So like this we can change or we can replace content between the cells. The next one, I for italic, Ctrl plus I, select any cell and click on this I. It gives a italic style content. And the next one is Ctrl plus J. So it is used to remove the line breaks. I explained in the previous session like find and replace concept. In that video, I added a practice session. In that you will find out these removing line breaks, Ctrl plus J concept. You will please go and check out. And coming to K. So if you want to give any links between one workbook to other workbook or other document, Ctrl plus K. So if you press this, a dialog box will appear here. Text to display. It is having a text here Excel because I selected this cell and the content is Excel. So that's why it displays. For example, I selected an empty cell and click on Ctrl plus K. It displays empty text box here. Here you need to enter. Suppose I'm going to enter Google and the default selection is existing file or web page. So for this, if you want to link with this existing file, use this drop down list and you can select from here. Otherwise, if you want to link with a web page, then we can use here address. For example, http://www.google.com. So if you use like this and click on OK, it gives you a link here. If you observe here, if you mouse over on this, a hand symbol is appeared, and if you click on this, it directly moves to that page. So like this we can link with one page to another page by using hyperlinks, that is Ctrl plus K. So right now I'm giving link to a web page. Otherwise, if you want to give link within the existing system, then you can use same thing, Ctrl plus K. So in this drop down list, you need to select a particular folder. For that, I'm going to select Excel books. I'm going to connect with any other one like AutoSum. I selected and click on OK. So if you observe, a link is appeared, and if you observe, after visiting, the link will appear in the different color, and before visiting link, it displays in the blue color. So I'm clicking here and directly it opens that file. So like this we can use links, Ctrl plus K. Now Ctrl plus L for insert table. If you want to insert a table, we can use in two ways in Excel. We have two shortcut keys in Excel. Those are Ctrl plus L. So it displays a dialog box with the given range J20 to K22 and click on OK. So if you want to expand, you can expand here. Right now I'm clicking OK. So it displays two columns and two rows, and we have here special tab here for this table, that is table design. Here we can select for colors and manipulations and all those things. And this is about inserting table. And the next one is M. There is no shortcut key is assigned in Excel, that is M. And the next one N. N for new workbook. If you want to open new workbook, so Ctrl plus N. So this is my new workbook right now. I have two workbooks. So I'm coming back, and now next one, open. If you want to open an existing file, we can use Ctrl plus O. And here in the PC, you can find out here, select the path here. For example, I'm going to select find and replace. So it displays that workbook. So again, I'm coming back. So this is for O. O is nothing but opening an existing workbook. Now next one, print. If you want to print, Ctrl plus P. So print, here print preview is displayed, and we have print option here. If you click on this, print option for printing. Now I'm coming back, and the next one is Q. Again, there is no shortcut key is assigned for Q, and the next one is right, fill right. So same thing for this one. This is the right side for this Excel. Now you can use Ctrl plus R for fill right. Again, you can use this from the home tab in the editing group. In the fill drop down list, you can use this right option for fill right. So both we can use, that is the longer method, and R is the shortcut key for this filling. Now next one is save. Ctrl plus S for save. Right now my workbook is my workbook is already saved. That is shortcut. My workbook name is shortcut keys in Excel. I'll show you with another workbook, that is blank workbook. So this is my new workbook. Previously I opened. Right now I'm saving this with Ctrl plus S. So if you press S, it asks the file name. Give a file name here and choose a location here and click on this save. So it directly saves, and right now my book name is book 1. So like this we can save our workbook. And the next one, insert table again. By using Ctrl plus L and Ctrl plus T, both are using for inserting table. So just select the cells and press Ctrl plus T or L. Both we can use and click on OK. A table is assigned for our given range of cells. And the next one is underline. If you want to underline something, for example, I'm going to select Rohan and press Ctrl plus U for underline. So if you want to insert underline, we can use this underline. And the next one is paste. If you want to paste something, for example, I'm going to select this cell and Ctrl plus C for copy. And if you want to paste anywhere, select the cell, select the empty cell and press Ctrl plus V for paste. So click on here. You can see multiple options for paste here. You can use anyone. And the next one is close workbook. If you want to close, Ctrl plus W. So it asks, want to save your changes to shortcut keys in Excel. Right now I don't want to close. For example, I'm going to close with blank workbook, Ctrl plus W. So it closed. Right now I have only 2 workbooks. And the next one is cut. So if you want to move content from one place to another place, you can use this cut. For example, I want to move this Excel. So we can press Ctrl X here Again, the dashed dancing lines are displayed here. If you want to move anywhere, you can simply press Ctrl plus V for paste. It removed from the original place and paste in the new place. So that is about Ctrl plus X for cut. Now redo and undo. So redo is nothing but repeating action. If you want to repeat the same action, we can use this redo. If you want to delete previous action, we can use this undo option. For this, for example, I'm going to copy this and paste here, Ctrl plus V. So it pastes. Now I want to another place to paste. So select here, Ctrl plus Y. It directly repeats the same action, no need to copy again. Like this we can use redo option here. Now again if you want to undo, Ctrl plus Z. So like this we can remove, undo the previous all options. We can use this Ctrl plus Z. Ctrl plus A to Ctrl plus Z shortcut keys. So I will continue the next part with frequently used shortcut keys in the next session. I will give the link in the description box. Please check out. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. And for online and offline classes, visit our website www.fratelloinotech.com. And for more tutorials, visit our one more website www.kennisworld.com. And I hope you like this video. And if you like it, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. And if you like it, please like, share with your friends and well-wishers who really wants to learn new courses. Thanks for watching.